Reading calendar. In this module, you will learn how to read a calendar. Sid asks his mother, "On which day is my birthday?" Mother says, "Sid, you can see yourself in the calendar on which day your birthday is." Sid says, "Okay, Mom. My birthday is on 15th March. First, go to the month of March, then search for the 15th day in March, and then check on which day it falls. It's Wednesday." The mother smiles and congratulates her son. "Well done, Sid. You read the calendar correctly." Let's recap. Now, know more about reading the calendar. This is a calendar of the year 2017. The month is March. There are 31 days in this month. The first day of the month falls on Wednesday. The first Monday of the month is on the 6th. There are 4 Sundays in this month. The second Saturday falls on the 11th. There are 3 complete weeks in this month.